Alright, this video is for the Soccer Guy 488. So to work the shore power, you need to configure up the main panel so that the electricity has some place to go. So if we look at our logic here, the shore power goes to the electric relay to allow flow, and that flow goes down to the main bus. The main bus here needs to be triggered in order for the flow to go, and then the main bus goes to the two battery buses. Alright, so if you want to power the system, you're going to have to come down and configure it. So let's spawn. You just make sure that infinite electricity is off. Okay. So what we'll go down is, you're going to enable shore power when the systems are enabled. Alright, so you go down here. Alright, so this is your main bus. So you want to make sure your main bus is on. If you remember the diagram, this is your main bus right here, your main electric relay. You also want to select your batteries. So as you can see, these are the two batteries. That's battery 1 and 2. As you can see, that's on. That one's on. Alright, and then now we can enable shore power and actually have it go somewhere. So you need to configure the system so that it actually can take the electricity and move it. So this electric battery is just connected to this cable anchor. So let's look in here. As you can see, we are losing battery as the ship is utilizing it. Alright, so we want to grab our cable here. So let's say this is your generator making electricity. We're going to connect it. As you can see, it's still dropping. Once we enable shore power, as you can see, it's going to start to climb. So as you can see, we're climbing in battery power, simulating a generator. So you need to turn on the system so that you're powering the ship. There's really no reason to have shore power if you're not actually powering anything on the ship. So again, you need to make sure that your master bus is on and your two battery buses are on. For example, let's say we only wanted to recharge one battery. Let's say we wanted to recharge just the starboard bank. If you look out there, that is the starboard battery. As you can see, that is climbing. As you can see, the port one is still climbing. I don't know why that's doing that. So I'll look into that. But as you can see, we are charging the batteries from shore power. But again, you need to make sure that the master bus is on and the batteries are selected. If I had no batteries selected, let's just verify that we're not getting any recharge. As you can see, no recharge. In this situation, you can see we're not recharging the batteries, but we are powering the systems. Alright, so as you can see, the electricity in this is going down, and that is because the main bus is powering the ship. So let's say you didn't want to draw from your batteries at all. You don't have to select your batteries. You can just select the main bus. Alright, so we can power just the ship if the main bus is selected. If we wanted to recharge batteries, we can select those on as well. So that's how the shore power system works. You actually have to configure the ship. There's really no point in just plugging it in. I guess you could utilize it to top off the batteries, but that's why you want to do it like this. All right, thanks for watching.